State now, despite a strongly worded report from a private investigator, a former prosecutor tells us the state would have a hard time proving the parents were somehow responsible for the death of a missing 2-year-old. That's because the body of DeOrr Kunz has never been found. So the question remains, can someone be charged for murder if a body hasn't been found? As Morgan Wagner reports, the answer is yes, but it doesn't happen that often.
Former Idaho Attorney General David Leroy says it's only been within the last 100 years that we've seen charges brought against people for murder when a body hasn't been found.
That usually involves a significant link of DNA, of blood of the victim, of not just a missing person, but circumstances that show there must have been a death. We just can't find the body yet.
Bernal, DeOrr Kunz, and Jessica Mitchell say their 2.5-year-old disappeared in July during a camping trip in eastern Idaho. However, last month, the Lemhi County Sheriff's Office named DeOrr's parents as suspects in the little boy's disappearance. And the private investigators that the parents hired now believes the parents are lying about their son's disappearance.
My belief is charges will be filed. I do not know when. I do not know what those charges will be, but I do know that there is extensive conversation at this point regarding what those charges will be. But my belief is that charges will be filed probably in the near future, I would think.
However, Leroy says looking at the evidence, it's hard to build a case until the toddler's body is found.
It's impossible for any of us to guess what proofs there may be, but it's impossible, in my opinion, to bring charges unless you have a body alleging the homicide of a small person in an outdoor area. There's simply too many open questions for any jury to find beyond a reasonable doubt that a conviction could be had.